best man in the whole world. He's so amazing. Can't you see my husband is cooking for me?
Yes, guys, I'm actually cooking for my queen. And then tell your husbands to cook for you. It's quite romantic.
You get that right? I know you guys are jealous. Yes, so you don't have to jealous me. I have the best man in the world. Alright, see you guys later. He's frying for me, oh. He's frying chicken for me.
Chicken.
Okay, bye. Bye, see you guys much later. Okay. And Ogini, why are you so excited? Because I allowed you to speak with my friends and you're opening those teeth of yours. I don't understand. What's the meaning of that? Eh? Okay, concentrate and do what you're doing.
But you asked me to say how.
Concentrate before the meat gets burnt. Concentrate! I got allowed with your allowance. I don't understand the meaning of this, oh. I don't understand. Nonsense. My father is very close. Please just be fast.